आज आफ्टर लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम यूजिंग माई रॉयल एनफील्ड जैकेट. सो जब से वर्सेस ली है आई ऑलवेज वेयर कावासाकी जैकेट ऑन दैट, but today I thought of wearing this one because it's my favorite one. So ट्रिप को ज़ीरो कर दिया है एंड विल स्टार्ट आवर जर्नी फॉर टुडे. गणपति बप्पा मोरया.
Very good morning, guys. So today heading towards Khandi Waterfall, and our meeting point is as usual Shell petrol pump. So अगर हम old Mumbai Expressway की तरफ जा रहे हैं तो Shell is the place where we meet near Indira College. And these guys are not here yet. Okay, let's wait for them. So from Indira College again you have to do almost 15 to 16 kilometers for Kanhe phata. So you'll get this first toll plaza here, you have to cross that and again go ahead for 10 kilometers more, and then you have to take a right towards Khandi Waterfall. So this is Kanhe phata, and from here you have to take right and go straight for almost 18 to 20 kilometers more, where you'll find Waterfall, and from there whatever I heard is लगभग 21 से 25 small or big waterfalls है. I hope we'll able to enjoy today. Not sure if you're able to actually see these waterfalls. So we have 4-5 waterfalls at the left hand side. The road is pretty narrow, so you have to be very careful while riding or driving. So it's all green and only green everywhere, and then in between you can see small waterfalls. But the main problem here is if you want to go to the waterfalls, you have to walk a lot. You have to keep your vehicle on the road and then walk inside. Plus many properties are private properties, so जो compound किया गया है उसको, so it's little tricky to go inside and enjoy. Look at this, it's amazing. Lovely. This is amazing, and what can I say? But somehow I feel Tamini is very close, like Tamini waterfalls, and this is the one I was talking about, Jagtap waterfall, and I expected it's closed due to lockdown. So as soon as you cross Jagtap waterfall, there's another waterfall at left hand side, which is again 200 meter inside, but we chose to go on the hill. So you'll find this narrow road where only two-wheelers can go. So we want to go on top and enjoy the view from top side. I'm sure the time lapse will be pretty cool from top, so let's go and enjoy the time lapse.
So if you like nature, this is the place for you. All these are rice fields. And this area is surrounded by hills, small waterfalls.
So for today we had Tiger, Sagar on Tiger, Ankit on Harley Davidson 750, Ankush on Fat Boy, another Ankit on Classic 350, and then comes Yogesh on his Fat Bob. So that's done for today. We'll head towards home now and then we'll talk.
Hey guys, so finally back. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. We left Khandi Waterfall little early because public ज़्यादा बढ़ने लगा उस side पे, so we had to skip that. And if you're comparing this place with your Tamini Waterfalls, then you will be disappointed. So for Tamini you have n number of waterfalls on the way, plus you can go under the waterfall or near the waterfall. But for Khandi waterfall you'll not able to do that easily. So as soon as you enter, you'll find one waterfall which is a private property, that is Jagtap waterfall. But lockdown के वजह से वो बंद था, so we couldn't get inside. Plus I heard this place is only for family, so I'm not sure if a group of guys going then what they'll do, but it was closed. After that there was one big waterfall, but you have to walk inside to enjoy that. So थोड़ा सा disappointed लगा मुझे because I had something like Tamini in mind. But if you love nature, if you just want to go and relax there, then this is the place for you. Amazing greenery, fresh air. You can see too many rice fields out there. So don't expect much and go and enjoy yourself. So next weekend मिलते हैं with new vlog. Bye bye.